Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist, a Monette brand partner, and a lover of all things beauty. And one thing that I absolutely love is DIY lashes. So if you have no idea what DIY lashes are, I'm wondering why you checked or clicked on this video, but maybe you're like, I don't know what she's talking about. But Lilac Street, they came out with a brand new lash. They had sent it to me about a month ago for me to try out and for me to kind of give my thoughts and everything. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys the brand new lash, and it is called Met Gala. It looks like this. It is super, super spiky. It is very, very dramatic. I got mine in the 14 millimeters. If you don't know anything about the brand, they do have different lash lengths. So I think the lowest lash they have is 10 millimeters. They might have 8. And then I think it goes all the way up to 16, maybe even 18. But I usually, if you guys follow me for a while, I usually only do 12 millimeter because my eyes aren't huge. But I asked them for the 14 millimeters because I figured this is a very dramatic lash. And I tried the Brazil lashes. I will put those down, the link down below. Brazil lashes are my absolute favorite. They're amazing. These are very, very cool, and I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like. One thing that I love about Lilac Street is their packaging is probably the best packaging, in my opinion, of all the DIY lashes. Just because even though when I have it like layered, I have it laid down, or like when I look at my vanity, I'm looking like this and I can see the lash. The one thing that I do wish they had is they, instead of putting it here, they put the name here, because that way when I'm stacking it in my vanity, I'd be able to see the exact lash. But every lash has a different color thing, so you kind of get used to it. The Brazil is kind of like a greenish, pinkish kind of thing, so it's not the end of the world. I've gotten used to exactly what lash it is by just looking at the color, but love that it's protected like this. They're all in here like that. And if you have any lashes that you don't use, you can keep them on here and then just keep them in your vanity. So it just comes off like this. The other thing that I love about this brand is this glue mechanism is super, super easy to get the lashes off. One thing that I absolutely hate, and I will not buy lashes from companies that have that glue band where you pull the lash off and then that glue is stuck on it and you're sitting there having to take the time to get it off. It is horrible. There are so many different other lash brands on the market, and if a company can't get their glue right, then I don't even want to work with them. So that's what I love about Lilac Street, is it is super, super easy to get their glue band off. Let me show you the lashes real quick of what they look like without that little band. So they're super spiky. I'm going to show you what they look like on me, but I want to show you individually. Let's see, what's the best way to show you? So they are pretty curled. So for us who have hooded eyes, I can tell you that they are pretty comfortable. I didn't notice that they were hitting that bone anymore. One thing, and I don't think Lilac Street has it, but a lot of companies like Lynx Lashes has the option to do C curl and D curl. So you have your lash style, then you have your length, and then you can choose your curl. So C curl is going to be less curly, D curl is going to be more dramatic. And I usually go for the C curl because I do have that hooded eyelids. Like, I've tried every single lash style in Lilac Street, and every single one of them is comfortable. I haven't found that any one of them is uncomfortable or they hit my bone or anything like that. So if you have a hooded eye like me, I think you can wear everything. It's just going to be what your style is. Let's go into this one. This one, in full transparency, I already told you, I've tried it out. I really do like it. They're very, very dramatic, but I wanna show you what they look like on somebody. So I'm gonna speed this version up. I've had people comment and say, well, why did you cut it out? So I'm just gonna speed this up. Maybe you don't wanna see me put them on. If you do, then watch through this. If you don't, just fast forward. Okay, like I said, they are super, super dramatic. I'm gonna pull them down just a little bit. So one thing when you go to fuse, you can kind of manipulate the lash just a little bit. With this eye, because my lashes go out straight, a lot of times what I will do is I will take an eyelash curl and I'll curl this eye, not this eye, because these lashes just naturally have a little bit more curl. So I will curl this eye, because if I don't do that, then both of the eyes look different. The other thing that I will do is I will fuse this eye, but I'll fuse it and flip it up so that it helps with that curl to make them more consistent, because your eyes are twins. No, sisters, not twins. They are not going to be 100%. You can see my eyebrows. They are not 100%. I try to make them as similar as possible, but you're never going to have it perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other lash, and then I'll come back and we'll see the final result. Okay, so coming on here for the final look. So very glam, very bold. To me, these lashes are special event. Like, I feel like the name is a perfect description of exactly what they are. Met Gala, they're big, they're bold, dramatic, and to me, they're not a lash that I would wear day to day. I just realized my bathroom door is open. That's where my toilet is. But they're not a day-to-day lash. They're not natural, but they are for like glam, special event, date night, whatever. But I think that they are absolutely gorgeous. And I didn't want to wash my hair today because I'm super lazy, and I love the slick back look and the lashes. I feel like it just makes them pop even more, and it's just very elegant, very chic, very modern looking. So I am loving the whole look. I might change up my earrings because I feel like my earrings are a little bit more fun, and I want something like more like a classic. I don't know. I'm overthinking it. I overthink everything. But there they are. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions below. Until next time, bye.